Hi everyone and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to complete the square again, but now I'm going to do questions where my a is not equal to 1. Right? Now if you don't know again what completing the square means, it simply means I'm taking a quadratic that looks like this and I'm making it look like this. However, my a value is not 1 in this particular case. So say for example I was asked to complete the square and my sum was this, 3x squared minus 7x plus 4. In this particular case, my a is 3. My first step over here says rewrite the equation by factorizing out the e. So for me to do that now, I need to factor out the 3. So it means I'm going to put square brackets here. I'm going to put x squared minus 7 on 3 plus 4 on 3, because I need to divide each value by 3 in order for me to factorize it out. So that means my first step here is completed. Now I move on to my second step. Now in my second step it says I need to continue to work with the inside brackets. Now that's here. These are the inside brackets. And do the following. One is I am going to drop the square on the x. So this is what it's going to be. I'm going to write back the 3 here with the square brackets, and this x squared is going to become an x. So that's this piece completed. I'm going to take the b value and divide by 2 and drop the x. So this is my new b value. I'm going to divide by 2. Now it's going to look a little weird because I'm going to add in a 2 at the bottom here, well multiplying, and I'm going to drop this x. So that's the second step there completed. And I'm going to place these two values in brackets and add a square on the top. So these two values, going to put another set of brackets and put a square on top there. That's this third piece completed. The fourth piece says rewrite the c value as is. So I'm going to rewrite it just like that. And I'm going to minus the b divided by 2 in brackets with a square on top. So all that simply means is that whatever I had written here, I'm going to put it back here. I'm going to put a minus in front of it, and I'm going to put a square here. Now it's a little messy. It's a lot of things that's going on, but it is mandatory that we do these pieces. Now this here, even though it's a little, it's heavy, once you follow these steps, this step will become really, really easy with practice. Okay, so now let's move on to the third step. Write back the value in brackets with the square, but simplify the c and the b on 2 squared. So that just simply means all of this here, I'm going to simplify. So I'm going to write this back. I'm going to simplify this. I'm not going to keep writing 2 by 3. I'm going to write 6. I'm going to write back the 4 on 3. I'm going to write back. Now I'm going to write 49. Now how did I get that 49? It's 7 squared. And this value at the bottom here is 6. It's going to become 36 because 6 squared is 36. Now my next line, I'm going to simplify this. So I am going to get 3x minus 7 on 6 squared. And this works out to be minus 1 on 36. Right? So that means that I have just completed this step here. Right? Now the last step says, now apply the a that was factored out in step 1 back into the equation. Now that is easy as well. So what I'm going to do, there's an imaginary 1 here. So I'm simply going to take this 3, multiply by this 1 in front, and I'm going to 3 and multiply by this value here. And that is going to give me 3. I'm going to drop the square bracket, and I'm just going to write the rounded bracket. And this 3 by 1 on 36 is going to give me minus 1 on 12. So that, everybody, is the answer. That is the answer for completing the square where your a is not equal to 1. Right? Hope you understand, and I'm happy that you got to watch this video. Thanks a lot.